Hello, friends! Enjoying a wonderful day? Are you excited to discover thrilling secrets of tomorrow's technology at Tech Revolt? Join us in this video as we explore the exciting world of cutting-edge food technology machines. Get your favorite drink ready, and let's watch the video together till the end. Vegetable peeling machines are specially designed to remove the outer skin from various vegetables efficiently. These machines use rotating blades or abrasive surfaces to peel the vegetables, ensuring a consistent and uniform result. These machines not only save time, but also reduce waste by minimizing the amount of edible flesh that gets discarded. They are particularly useful in processing large quantities of vegetables in commercial settings, such as restaurants or food production facilities. Fruit grading machines play a crucial role in sorting fruits based on their size, weight, and quality. These automated systems use sensors and mechanisms to categorize fruits into different grades, ensuring consistent quality and appearance. By sorting fruits accurately, these machines help in optimizing packaging and distribution processes, as fruits of similar sizes and quality can be grouped. This not only enhances the visual appeal of packaged fruits, but also improves customer satisfaction by delivering products that meet quality standards. Fruit grading machines are indispensable in large-scale fruit processing operations, where efficiency and precision are paramount. Automated ice cream cone, filling, and sealing machines automate the filling of ice cream into cones and seal them securely to prevent any leaks or spills. With precise controls, these machines can dispense the right amount of ice cream into each cone, maintaining uniformity across batches. Automated sealing mechanisms ensure that the ice cream cones are tightly sealed, preserving freshness and quality. By streamlining the filling and sealing process, these machines boost production rates and reduce manual labor, making them essential equipment in ice cream manufacturing facilities. Are you a fan of ice cream? Let us know in the comments below. Confectionery packaging solutions encompass a range of machines that automate the packaging process, ensuring that candies, chocolates, and other sweets are securely wrapped and labeled for retail sale. Depending on the product and packaging requirements, these machines can use different materials and sealing methods to maintain freshness and appeal. Advanced labeling systems can also print barcodes, expiration dates, and other essential information on the packaging, complying with industry regulations and enhancing traceability. Robotic systems use advanced sensors and cutting tools to perform precise cuts and trims on various meat products, ensuring consistency and reducing waste. By automating these labor-intensive tasks, robotics improve efficiency, enhance product quality, and ensure safety by minimizing human contact with sharp tools. These robots can handle different types of meats and cuts, adapting to specific processing requirements with ease. Robotics in meat processing not only accelerates production rates, but also ensures that meat products meet the highest standards of quality and hygiene, making them indispensable in modern meat processing facilities. Sustainable seafood processing involves using eco-friendly practices and technologies that minimize waste, energy consumption, and pollution. One key aspect is the use of energy-efficient equipment and machinery that consume less power while maintaining high production rates. Waste management systems are implemented to recycle and reuse materials, reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills. Sustainable seafood processing aims to balance the needs of the industry with environmental conservation, ensuring a healthier planet for future generations. Precision vegetable cutting machines utilize high-precision blades and cutting techniques to produce consistent and uniform slices, dice, and julienne cuts. By adjusting settings and parameters, chefs and food processors can achieve the desired cut size and shape, enhancing the presentation and texture of dishes. This versatility allows for greater creativity in culinary creations, from salads and stir-fries to soups and side dishes. These machines increase efficiency in food preparation, reducing manual labor and ensuring faster production times. In essence, precision vegetable cutting machines revolutionize the way vegetables are prepared, offering chefs and cooks the tools they need to elevate their culinary creations. Automated fruit sorting systems utilize advanced sensors and imaging technology to inspect fruits for size, color, ripeness, and quality. The system categorizes the fruits into different grades and sorts them accordingly. This automation eliminates the need for manual sorting, which is time-consuming and prone to errors. Fruit producers can increase throughput, reduce waste, and ensure consistent product quality. These systems revolutionize fruit processing operations, making them more efficient, cost-effective, and reliable. Which fruits do you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. 3D printing allows confectioners to create intricate designs, shapes, and patterns that were previously impossible or labor-intensive to achieve. Using edible materials, 3D printers can produce custom candies, chocolates, and decorations, catering to specific themes, events, or personal preferences. This level of customization enhances the aesthetic appeal of confectionery products, making them more appealing to consumers. 3D printing revolutionizes the confectionery industry, offering endless possibilities for creativity and personalization. AI-driven quality control systems leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to detect defects and inconsistencies in food products. These advanced systems analyze images, data, and sensory information to identify imperfections such as discoloration, foreign objects, or irregular shapes. This technology not only improves product quality, but also reduces the risk of recalls and customer complaints. Real-time monitoring and analytics provide valuable insights into production processes, enabling continuous improvement and optimization. In essence, AI-driven quality control systems enhance food safety and quality assurance, safeguarding consumer health and brand reputation. Smart ovens for baking utilize advanced sensors and algorithms to maintain consistent heat distribution and temperature levels, ensuring perfect baking results every time. By optimizing energy usage, smart ovens reduce electricity consumption, lowering operational costs and environmental impact. Smart ovens transform the baking experience, providing bakers with the tools they need to achieve exceptional results while saving time, energy, and resources. Imagine a world where food packaging isn't just about keeping things fresh, but also about letting us know exactly how fresh they are. Thanks to Internet of Things, IoT technology, this isn't a distant dream, but a reality. IoT-enabled food packaging systems come equipped with sensors that monitor the freshness and integrity of the food inside. These smart packages can track factors like temperature, humidity, and even gas levels, providing real-time data to both producers and consumers. For instance, if you pick up a carton of milk with an IoT-enabled cap, you could check an app to see its expiration date and storage conditions. Salad lovers, rejoice! Automated salad assembly lines can churn out customizable salads at an impressive scale, catering to individual preferences without compromising on speed or efficiency. Imagine walking up to a kiosk where you can choose your base, toppings, dressing, and protein, and then watch as robotic arms assemble your perfect salad right before your eyes. Not only does this technology offer convenience and variety, but it also ensures consistency in portion sizes and ingredient distribution. Cutting delicate foods like cakes, pastries, or soft cheeses can be tricky, often resulting in squished or uneven slices. Enter ultrasonic cutting machines, a game-changing technology that offers precise cutting, without crushing delicate items. Utilizing high-frequency sound waves, these machines create clean, smooth cuts through even the most fragile of foods, maintaining their shape and texture. Whether you're a baker looking to perfect your cake slices or a cheese enthusiast aiming for uniform portions, ultrasonic cutting machines deliver unparalleled precision and consistency. Who says desserts can't be interactive? With augmented reality, AR technology, dessert experiences are becoming more engaging and immersive than ever before. Imagine picking up a chocolate bar and using your smartphone to unlock a virtual world filled with fun facts, games, or even a behind-the-scenes look at how it was made. AR-enhanced packaging allows confectioners to tell stories, educate consumers, and create memorable experiences that go beyond taste. Whether it's a virtual scavenger hunt inside a candy wrapper or a 3D dessert-making tutorial, augmented reality adds a new layer of excitement to our sweet indulgences, blending the worlds of technology and confectionery in delightful ways. Automated marinating systems are changing the game by offering precise and consistent flavor infusion across various cuts of meat. These advanced systems utilize sensors and programmable settings to control marination time, temperature, and ingredient distribution, eliminating human error and ensuring optimal flavor absorption. By streamlining the marinating process, these technologies allow producers to meet consumer demands for flavorful, high-quality meats more efficiently than ever before. Gone are the days of sticky labels and hard-to-remove stickers on fruits and vegetables. Laser etching technology is revolutionizing the way we brand and label fresh produce, offering a clean, eco-friendly alternative that doesn't compromise on visibility or information. Using focused laser beams, producers can etch logos, barcodes, or even intricate designs directly onto the surface of fruits, creating a permanent mark that's both informative and aesthetically pleasing. Laser etching ensures that consumers can easily identify and trace the origin of their produce, promoting transparency and trust in the supply chain. Biodegradable packaging solutions are emerging as sustainable alternatives to traditional plastic packaging, aiming to reduce environmental impact. These eco-friendly materials are designed to break down naturally over time, minimizing pollution and harm to ecosystems. Made from renewable resources like plant-based materials or compostable polymers, biodegradable packaging offers a greener option for consumers and businesses alike. Switching to biodegradable packaging not only benefits the environment, but also aligns with consumer preferences for eco-conscious products, driving positive change in the industry. Edible packaging innovations are reshaping the way we think about food packaging, offering solutions that reduce waste and enhance convenience. These edible materials, made from natural ingredients like starches or proteins, are designed to be consumed along with the food they enclose, eliminating the need for disposal. By incorporating these innovations into production lines, companies can offer sustainable packaging solutions that appeal to eco-conscious consumers. Edible packaging is paving the way for a future where packaging is not only functional, but also nutritious, adding value to the food products it contains. Get ready for the next mind-blowing video in this super exciting series. Hit that subscribe button now and come along with us as we uncover all the thrilling mysteries waiting for us. Can't wait to see you in our upcoming video.